Welcome to Beauty First in 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie and I'm so happy to have you on my channel. And today we're going to go through my Ulta haul. Now I know we just got done with our Sephora hauls and all of that jazz, but right before the Sephora sale, Ulta also had 20% off, and there's some things you can get at Ulta that you can't get anywhere else. And we're also going to talk about gifts with purchase because I bought everything and almost all of it came with something. And going into the holiday time, this will give you some ideas of things that you might want to get and also get a gift with purchase, because I really feel like that is an underrated part of Ulta's experience compared to Sephora. Sephora gives you now like 2 free samples. It's not that much. Ulta's giving you all kinds of stuff. You usually have to do shipping, but we're going to cover a lot of the good ones. So we'll go ahead and jump in. And the first thing that I got was this Sol de Janeiro set. Now these are so hot. So I'll bring it in so you can kind of see all the different ones you have. So we've got 62, 71, 40, 76, 68, 48. Kind of sounds like I'm calling out bingo numbers. All right, so that's great. 71 is one of my favorites. And then I also got this bag. So let's take a look. I haven't actually opened any of the gifts with purchase yet. So it comes with this little bag, and then inside we've got a couple things. So we have the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and then, oh, what is this? Oh, I'm gonna roll it out. Oh, nice. So this is the Bum Bum Body Firmeza Oil. So check that out. And then you get this cute little bag. So this is nice. On the front side, it actually says Sol de Janeiro. So that was our free gift for that. Now, I also bought and restocked my Viva La Juicy Couture perfume. And oh my goodness, this came with so much stuff. So I got this, which is a little tiny ring light that also has a camera on it, which I think is really fun. I'll be playing with that. I mean, perfect for what I do. And then it had a whole bag of Juicy Couture stuff. So let's take a look at this as well. All right, so you have a Just Moi Eau de Parfum. We also have in this little bag, oh, another one. So it's a mini version of the Viva La Juicy. And then we've got, what is this? Oh, a roller ball of the Viva La Juicy. And then what is this collection here? Okay, this might be a little much for my age group, but maybe my niece would like this, but it's got a claw clip on the back side and this ginormous bow on the other side. So, you know, maybe you have a kid, like this would be good, but like, I don't know that adults wear these, but still, it was free, so that's great. Now, another thing to keep in mind is you should never order something until they're giving away something. So a lot of times if you scroll down to the home screen, you'll see the like free gifts that are open. So I picked up this one. It was just the free gift that they were giving away that day. I didn't buy anything from Clinique, but I got this bag anyway. So let's take a look. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so we got another makeup bag because, you know, I always could use more. I'm always storing things and traveling. So this is really nice. And then we got the Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. And then we also got, oh, this is kind of nice, Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So those are great for getting off eye makeup. And then I also got a Clinique High Impact Mascara. So this was just totally free. This was just, I think you had to spend $75 or $50 online, and then you just got this free. Now, I took my eyeshadow off because the next 2 products we have are for eyes. So I got this palette. This is the Fall Romance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we'll take a look at this. All right. So, oh, this is nice. Oh, this is a nice case. It's like kind of like furry. And let's take a look at the shadows inside. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I'll bring this in close so you can kind of take a look. But oh wow, so you've got a lot of, you know, some neutral colors over here. You've also got some shimmers. So I'm gonna put on a little look and then I'll tell you what I did. Okay, so just on this eye, I used leather all over my lid, and then I used smoke to just kind of add a little sparkle. And then I used mulberry in my crease and also in my outer corner. So I'll bring it in so you can kind of see there. But this is a really nice palette, and this just went on sale, so you can actually get it for less than I paid when I got 20% off. So definitely check this one out because when they go on sale, usually they go pretty fast. And then, of course, I got a free gift. So I got 2 free gifts actually for this one. So again, like I said, that was from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And a lot of these deals are still on there, so definitely check them out. But ooh, okay. So I've got this little makeup bag, but it actually has a hard bottom. and it's got a drawstring on either side. This is super nice. Love that. And then I also got an Anastasia Beverly Hill Brow Freeze Gel, what they're kind of known for. I get a lot of these for free, so if anybody needs one, send me in the comments and I'll send it to you because I have a bunch of them. But this was a nice gift. Now I look crazy, so we're gonna have to put some eyeshadow in the other eye. And so this is one of the few things that I bought just because it was 20% off. It's not available at Sephora, but it didn't have a free gift. So we'll put this one on. So this is the Rebel Quad. I'll bring that in so you can kind of see, but it gives you kind of 4 shades. So I'm gonna put this one on and then I'll tell you what I did. Okay, so over on this eye, I used this one kind of in the inner corner and 3/4 of the lid. And then I used this one in the crease, and then I did a combination of these two, kind of this one more in the outer corner and this one more towards the inner lid. So I just kind of threw them all on, but this is kind of what I've got here. But yeah, this is really pretty. I will say that comparatively what I saw online, I didn't realize how metallic they were. So we'll keep playing with this one. Another great set that you might want to consider for someone in your life that really likes makeup is this one. So it's got this cute little kind of gingerbread house feel to it. This has 12 different lip pencils in it. We've got a fistful of these, so this is great. Okay, and the other thing I got were these duos. So this is the NYX Fat Oil, and it comes with 2, kind of a red one and a pink one. So we'll put this on with one of the lip pencils. And then if you didn't know, NYX actually has a Bridgerton collection that has come out. So I also got this highlighter. I already had the blush. So we'll put this on as well. And then if you didn't know, if you're a Diamond member, then you get a free product every time you order. So I got this ribbon mascara from Too Faced. This is a tubing mascara. So we'll try all of this on. And then I got 2 free gifts from NYX for ordering. So I got this bag full of stuff. So let's take a look at that. So I've got an Epic eyeliner, and this is in the shade Marshmallow. And then I also got another Fat Oil Slit Click. So I got this. And then I also got, let's see, Plump Right Back. This is their primer. I've actually heard that's really good. I haven't tried it out yet. And then we've also got Duck Plump, which is their like plumping, like painful, I think, oil. And this is an aqua highlighter. So also exciting. So we can try both highlighters out. And then I also got this, which is another little free gift. This is actually really cute, if you know. So it's a little tiny backpack, and then it has a little keychain on it. So this is really cute. So I'll put on the highlighters and the lip stuff, and we'll see how everything looks. Okay, so on my lips, I used the Fat Oil in Status Update. And then I lined my lips with this one, which is Nude Beige. And you can see the swatches there. So there's the lip liner. It was essentially about the same basically color as my normal lip. So it didn't really do very much to me. But then obviously this is really dark. And this kind of blends out nicely. And this blends out pretty quickly. So it's not going to last forever, but you know, just good to know and good to have so many choices. Okay, and I also put on the highlighter. So on this side, I have the Bridgerton one. On this side, I have the Aquamarine. Not a fan of the Aquamarine. It just kind of left chunks on my skin. So it's basically kind of like right there. This one was a lot better. It kind of went on nicely. I think it gives a nice little shimmer there. And then I also got this curly hair kit. And this comes with basically a shampoo, a conditioner, a curl definer, and the Perfect Hair Day Shine Serum. And then I also got a travel shampoo and conditioner as well with this gift with purchase. And then from the Ulta collection, which is cruelty free, as is everything I've shown here, all of the products I feature on my channel are cruelty free. And I've also checked these to make sure there's no irritants in them. I got this Ulta Glossary Rodeo. So let's take a look at this one inside. So you get 4 lip stains, 4 lip oils, 4 lip toppers, 4 lip glosses, and a keychain lippy ring, which is right here. I don't know if you can see that. So this is kind of fun. But what I got with this one was this little bag. So this is a little Ulta gift bag. And inside, we've got a bunch of stuff. And you could pick from a couple different ones that they had online. Let's see what we got. Oh, everything's in a little bag. So that's nice. All right. Okay, so we've got a face primer from Ulta. We've got, ooh, a full-size beauty blender. That's great. Ulta Beauty little lip gloss. We've got, this looks like a lip oil. A cream blush. This is kind of like a peach color. Also have a little eyeshadow palette. So this is cute. Bring that in. That's got nice color. This one is an eye primer. last two things in the bag. This had a lot of stuff in it. Ooh. So we've got a little eyeshadow brush, and then we've also got a curling mascara. So you get all of that with just the kit. So this is kind of what I'm meaning. When you're going to order for the holidays and you're getting things for friends or family, make sure you're getting it when there's a gift with purchase. Make sure if you're a Diamond member, you get your free sample. Scroll down to the bottom and make sure you get your free gift for the day, because just because they're getting a gift doesn't mean you can't get a gift. A lot of times the same products have gift with purchases, the gift just changes, but especially for the holiday season, there will be a lot more gift with purchases because they want you to buy things. So just keep that in mind. If you don't see a gift with purchase and you can wait a little bit, see if something else comes up, but a lot of these are still available right now as gift with purchases. And I also got this one. So this is by Drunk Elephant, and this is a combination product, and that contains their vitamin C serum, and it also has their illuminating drops that have niacinamide on it. And because I got that, I got two things. So I got this mini Bora barrier cream, but this is going to be great because I travel all the time and this would be enough to get me through like a week. And then I also got this set. So this has 3 Drunk Elephants products in it. So it's got the Be Goldy Bright Drops that we just got. So that's just a travel version. It has their blush drops, and then it also has their bronzing drops. So I got all 3 of those just for that one product. It also came with the Mellow Marula Cream Cleanser. This is brand new, and I've actually really wanted to try this out. This is kind of like the newest product that's come from Drunk Elephant, and this is perfect for travel this size. So thanks for watching today. I hope you'll consider hitting subscribe to become part of the Beauty First and 10 family. I'd love to have you on my channel. I do all things makeup, fashion, I do some crafting, some DIY, some holiday hauls. So you can get all of that just by hitting subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And just remember, all these items will be linked in the description box down below, and you can easily find the products and also any like colors if I chose a specific color. And I'd appreciate it if you use those links. I do not make any money on my channel, and I buy all these products with my own money. So if you use the link, I do get a kickback from that, so that's very appreciative. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are any of these products going to be on your Christmas list, or are they going to be on a Christmas list for someone you know? Let me know, and I hope everyone has a great day and happy shopping.